Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to convert a Microsoft Word document into Google Docs quickly and safely. This lets you edit in the cloud, collaborate in real time, and keep your work accessible from any device. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into your account. To upload a Word file, click the blue New button and choose File Upload, or simply drag the docx file from your computer into the Drive window. Wait for the upload to finish. You'll see the progress at the bottom right. Next, locate the uploaded Word file in My Drive. Right-click the file, hover over Open With, and choose Google Docs. Drive will create a new Docs copy and open it in a new tab. This converted version preserves most formatting, images, and tables, but always review the document for layout tweaks and font differences. If you prefer automatic conversion for every upload, click the gear icon in Drive, choose Settings, and check Convert Uploads. Now any Word files you add will open as Google Docs automatically. Alternatively, open Google Docs first, go to File Open, switch to the Upload tab, and select your Word file. The document will open in Docs and be saved to Drive as an editable file. After conversion, check headings, spacing, and page breaks. Use file version history to track changes and rename the document by clicking the title. When you're done, you can share the Docs file with collaborators using the Share button or download it back to Word via File or Download at Microsoft Word docx if needed. For complex layouts or special fonts, double-check visuals. Sometimes manual adjustment is required. Finally, keep a local backup before making big edits. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.